Spula, you guys will see this next. I'm going to enjoy.
Mocha's performance.
Because that's another daughter.
He does,
You the king, Burger King.
I love being able to come somewhere where my music is streamed. Thank you so much to Lesotho for streaming my music. I notice, I watch, so I will always make the trip for the people that take the time to listen to my music.
So, I'm from SA. I was invited to come and join, or rather, come and experience LETOFE. My favorite artist, obviously, is I am from South Africa. She gave a stellar performance. Truly enjoyed her. I think when she gets back home, I'm going to ask her why she never gave us what she gave you guys. But it was best. I'm happy to be here.
So good, ecstatic. Mocha's performance, beautiful. Yeah.
There are two things that are important. One, we are undisputed supporters of the arts. Me re rata Basotho ba thaba le rona. Re tseba hore re mixe kaofela o be monate during this time. And for us, this is what we are saying is a contribution and to the music industry, to the arts. Me re ha Basotho ba ntse ba support. These are some of the things that they will be seeing over and over again, 21 years down the road and 21 years to the future, even more.
Give her body, back shots, body. Give her body, back shots, body. Give her body, back shots, body. She the way I jump for NYC. Big killer, she carry the best I've seen. Steady, ready, the assassin. Sweet in my belly, you like it.